Tracking every minute without manually logging your time can save you hours each week and help you stay on top of your productivity. If you've ever tried to track your time manually, you know how tedious it can be. Today, I'm going to show you how to track every minute automatically without the need to log it yourself. First things first, there's no need to be stuck with pen and paper or a spreadsheet to track every minute. There's powerful software available that does all of this for you. I've tried most of the popular ones, and I'll show you the easiest and most efficient way to do it. But make sure you watch until the end because I'll be offering an exclusive free trial to the software we're using today. Now let's jump right in. With this software, all you need to do is install it, and it automatically tracks your time for you. It's that simple. The software works in the background, tracking your computer activity in real time. Whether you're working on emails, writing, browsing, or using specific apps, it records the time spent on each task automatically. No more manual logging. You can set up the software to categorize your activities into custom groups, work, meetings, creative time, etc. This way, you get a comprehensive breakdown of where your time goes each day, and it's all done automatically, saving you time while giving you insights into your habits. What makes this software stand out is that it's highly customizable. It can track websites you visit, applications you use, and even offline activities if you integrate it with your calendar. Plus, it provides detailed reports and analytics that help you visualize your day and understand where your time is really going. If you're managing multiple projects or teams, this tool can help you track time across different projects and make sure your resources are allocated efficiently. No more wondering if you're spending too much time on a specific task. The software will provide you with exact data on how long you're dedicating to each activity. What's even better is that it tracks everything automatically, so you don't have to think about starting or stopping a timer. This means you don't have to interrupt your workflow to log time manually. It just works in the background, tracking your every move, so you can focus on what matters. And if you want to dive deeper into your productivity patterns, the software allows you to set goals and see how close you are to meeting them, whether it's a daily goal or a larger project. You can track your progress without manually logging anything. All you have to do is use the software, and it does the rest. At the end of the day, you'll have a full report of how you spent your time. With no effort on your part, you'll be able to pinpoint areas where you're wasting time and start optimizing your day right away. Before I wrap up, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial to this software. It's only available for viewers of my channel, and it'll give you the chance to see for yourself how this software works and how it can change the way you track every minute. So, what's the key takeaway? You don't have to manually log your time anymore. With the software I've shown you today, it's all automated. It tracks your time in the background, and you get detailed reports to help you understand where your time is going and how to improve. Let's quickly go over the main points. First, the software automatically tracks your activities in real time. It categorizes your time, gives you detailed reports, and helps you optimize your day. And remember, you can get an exclusive free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you save time and stay productive.